Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I have activated my adaptive brightness feature on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And let's say that this adaptive brightness feature is not running well. For example, it can't detect the light properly. And if it happened on your phone, maybe there's a problem with your sensor on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and you have to fix it. And through this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can fix the sensor problem on Samsung Galaxy phone. We can go to the device care setting or device care menu right here, guys, and then you have to choose the diagnostics. Okay, and there will be some options for you, and you have to choose the phone diagnostics. And here we can test a function individually by tapping its icon. And since we want to fix the sensors problem, we have to click on sensors. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the tracking process has completed. Okay, and as you can see, guys, that my sensor is normal, and if there's a problem with your sensor, you can fix it right here. And if you don't have this feature on your phone, I recommend you to restart your phone. And after you restart your phone, I hope the display brightness problem will be fixed. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix display brightness problem on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.